G'day team, let's talk about calendars. It's another tip from the book, Get Back an Hour in Every Day. If you haven't got it, go and get it, it'll change your life. Calendars, what do you do with a calendar? Well, there are different forms, different varieties, different sizes of calendars. I have a calendar on the wall, so I can see my whole year in one fell swoop. At one point I had a calendar in the diary, in my planner. So what is a calendar for you? Do you have it on the wall? Do you have it in a diary system? And for me, the use of the diary gives me an opportunity to look at it the whole year at a glance. It's like, where are the public holidays? And where am I taking holidays? Because vacations are important. So it's a visual representation of the year in one fell swoop. And it helps me. It helps me. It'll help you too. Do you have it in one place so you can see the whole year at a glance? So you can go, yep, we can go there, we can do that, and that's not available, those sorts of things. So the use of a calendar will aid in your productivity so you can do your planning more effectively. All right, I think that's it for now. Go forward, create some success. We'll see you in the next video. Ciao.